Plant FAQs. Peperomia citrus twist. Peperomia citrus twist, a low-maintenance beauty for busy plant parents. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Peperomia citrus twist, a compact and captivating houseplant that's perfect for busy individuals like myself. This little gem boasts stunning variegated foliage and a low-maintenance personality, making it a popular choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. See more 1424 species in genus Peperomia at monsteraholic.com. Light requirements. Bright indirect is best. Peperomia citrus twist thrives in bright indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. Direct sunlight can scorch the delicate leaves, so avoid placing your plant near south-facing windows. East or north-facing windows are ideal. If you suspect your citrus twist isn't getting enough light, the variegation may fade, and the stems might become leggy. Watering. When in doubt, leave it out. One of the biggest advantages of the Peperomia citrus twist is its forgiving nature when it comes to watering. These little guys prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. The best way to check is to stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Overwatering is a major culprit for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Drainage is key. Peperomia citrus twist prefers well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. A good quality potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants is a great option. You can also create your own mix using equal parts potting mix, perlite, and orchid bark. This combination provides excellent drainage and aeration, allowing for optimal root health. Fertilizer. A little goes a long way. Fertilizing your Peperomia citrus twist isn't strictly necessary, but it can give it a little boost during the growing season, spring and summer. A diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer applied once a month is sufficient. Remember, less is always more when it comes to fertilizing houseplants. Over-fertilization can lead to leaf burn and stunted growth. Humidity. Keeping it moist. Peperomia citrus twist enjoys moderate to high humidity levels. This can be challenging in drier climates or during winter months. Grouping your citrus twist with other humidity-loving plants can help create a mini microclimate. Alternatively, you can use a pebble tray filled with water placed near the plant or a humidifier to increase the surrounding moisture. Growth habit and size. Compact and cute. The Peperomia citrus twist is a slow-growing plant, typically reaching a mature height and spread of 6 to 12 inches. This makes it a perfect choice for smaller spaces or terrariums. Its compact size and bushy growth habit create a visually appealing accent on desks, shelves, or windowsills. Common pests and diseases. Relatively resilient. Thankfully, Peperomia citrus twist is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, mealybugs and scale can occasionally become a nuisance. Regularly inspecting your plant and treating any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil will keep them at bay. Peperomia citrus twist versus Peperomia obtusifolia. Peperomia citrus twist is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of Peperomia obtusifolia, commonly known as the baby rubber plant. The main difference lies in the foliage. Peperomia obtusifolia has solid green, glossy leaves, while the citrus twist boasts stunning variegated leaves with creamy white margins. Both varieties share similar care requirements, making them excellent choices for low-maintenance plant enthusiasts. Peperomia citrus twist. The verdict. The Peperomia citrus twist is a captivating and easy-to-care for houseplant. Its beautiful variegated foliage adds a touch of vibrancy to any space, and its compact size makes it ideal for city dwellers with limited space. With its minimal needs for light, water, and fertilizer, it's a perfect choice for busy plant parents or those new to the world of houseplants. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance beauty that brings life to your home, look no further than the Peperomia citrus twist.